Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the Edge PULSAR XT for the 3-liter ECODiesel in the Jeep. Let's see what comes in the box. Let's talk about application with the PULSAR XT here. So this is going to cover the 2020 to 2022 Jeep JL and JTs with the 3-liter ECODiesel. It's not going to cover any of the gassers, none of the other stuff. Again, 2020 to 2022 Jeep JL JT with the 3.0 liter ECODiesel. Now this particular device is a very feature-rich product from Edge. You've heard us say that a couple times before, but they are nailing it with some of these products coming out here right now. So let's talk about what this thing can do for you and your 3-liter ECODiesel. This device does have a throttle sensitivity booster built into it. It's got 7 different settings, so you can have that turned up real high if you want that thing real touchy, real sporty. Put it right in the middle for daily driving, towing, wherever you see fit, you can get that taken care of with it. It's also got some horsepower involved with there. You've got on the highest setting 38 horsepower and 73 foot-pounds of torque. That's enough to feel it in the seat of your pants, especially on these smaller diesels. It's very nice to have that little bit extra power. This is also going to allow you to control and enable or disable the TPMS, that's tire pressure monitoring systems. So if you're running, let's say, a larger tire and you don't want to run as high a pressure as they want, you can turn that down so it's not beeping at you, or just turn it off altogether. You can also turn off the auto start-stop feature on your engine, which is honestly kind of annoying, but gets that taken care of for you. You can read and delete codes as well. So if you're going down the road on a trip and you have a trouble code pop up, you can read it, figure out what's going on, and hopefully not ruin that trip. You can also recalibrate for gears and for tire size. Now, as far as gears go, if you did change the ratio on the axles, you can recalibrate for that. And if you've put larger tires on the truck and maybe haven't done the gears, you can recalibrate for a larger tire, or basically anything from a 26 to a 40-inch tire. There's a few more things you're going to be able to either enable or disable on this, one of them being the traction control. Everybody hates traction control. Get rid of that. You can turn it off with this, which is very nice. You can also configure the lighting, things like having your fog beams on with your high beams, turn off your license plate light when you're going in reverse, have the daytime running lights turn on or off with your turn signals, lots of different configurations. You can also do that in the app itself. You're also going to be able to do a manual DPF regeneration, which is very nice on these later model emissions intact vehicles. You can also do the axle lockers in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. And on a lot of them, they have certain parameters you have to meet inside the cab or what the truck is doing to enable them. Well, this will allow you to put them on pretty much whenever you want. You can also do the sway bar disconnects in 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive low, and 4-wheel drive high. So they've got you covered there. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, and they are ready to give you the best tech support in the industry. Don't have time for a phone call? We've got plenty of other ways to get a hold of us. You can email us, use the chat feature on the website. You can go on social media, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you like. We are here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.